2009 Jaguar XF dash removal. Sorry, it's darker than the inside of a football in here. There's other vids out there, but real quickly, most all of the things out here either just pop right out, and then you'll have 8mm fasteners here, then little Torx all the way across the front. The only one that is a bare, there's a hidden one down in this hole right there. Get those out, dash will come right out. Take a look at this dash. This not the Jaguar dash, but you'd never know. There's a seam missing around here that didn't seem to serve any purpose, so I didn't put it back. There she is, back in place.